Welcome back, guys. So in my earlier video we have talked about how to take the backup using MySQL dump utility. Those are for MySQL database. We have talked about how to take the hot backup or how to take the different backups for data only and how to take the backup of structure only for the database. Now we are talking about how to load them, restore those databases, how to restore the backups we have taken using MySQL dump utility. So for that you can use this MySQL utility exe, that should be exe, that what we can call utility MySQL utility, and then your root u hyphen u and then your username and then password, and then you are using this less than symbol. Okay, so that which means all the files, all the data from your file SQL file will be loaded into your database. Okay, so what you have in your SQL file you will have it in here. So how we use it, let's go to the um, our command of our backup we have took like this. Okay, so this is the backup we have taken earlier, so we can use it here. Okay, employee structure only. Okay, so what we have, employee structure. So let's see, first go to our database. Let's see, structure only. Okay, so these are the two tables we have take the backup earlier, employee 1, employee 2. So let me remove it so that okay, I can use it, I can remove it here from it. Drop table employee. Okay, drop table employee 2. Okay, show tables. Oops. Okay, so you see your employees tables are removed from here. So we are using our backups taken in our previous step to restore these two tables. Okay, so let's use them. We have these two, took the backup of these two. So first we are taking the backup of restoring the backup of structure only. Okay, employee structure only. Let's see, we are in this bin location and here we are using mysql.exe, this utility for restoring the backup. We are not using MySQL dump. That dump utility is for taking the backup of only. Okay, so let's see. Oh, we haven't selected the database. Or structure only. Let me see. Use temp. That will be our database. Okay, so here, okay, let's see. See, your employee tables are here. So let's see if we have anything in employee. Select star from employee. Do not have anything. Let's see if we have anything on employee 2. We do not have anything. Let's see the structure. So we have the structure only here. So how to get that? So we can also use this, which we have taken the for data only. Okay, so let's use this. Let's see if we have used database statement in there. Structure only, where was that? Here, data only. Okay, let's enter that. Use temp. Okay, that's fine. Oops, I made a mistake. That is use. Okay, so it is saved. Now let's see. That's done. Okay, so let's see it. Okay, we have the data here. That's fine. That's great. See. Okay, so let's see what we have for employee table. Oh, we have the data for employee table as well. So that's fine. So this is how you can take the backup of your table, and how this is how you can restore them. You can have them in a single file as well, but as we have them in separate files in our previous videos, I have used just those files, so that that will be easy for you to understand how we take them differently, how we use them differently. But that can be possible if you take them in a single file. Okay, so thanks for watching this, and we'll be talking in our next video. Thank you. Bye bye.